Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to review the new K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is how the outer packaging looks like. K Beauty is the brand owned by Katrina Kaif. This is exclusively available on Nykaa. I have never tried any products from this brand. This is the first time. K Beauty is a vegan, cruelty-free brand. When they launched this K Beauty Hydrating Foundation, I was very interested and I ordered it on the launch day itself. This retails for 1200 rupees for 30 grams, and they have 4 different kinds of shade ranges. In total, they have 20 shades, which is amazing for an Indian brand. And they have light, medium, tan and deep, and they have different undertones as well, so it's quite easy to find your shade online. I got the shade 130Y medium, like you can see, and this is a perfect match for my skin. So how it works is 130 is the foundation number, Y means yellow, and medium is the shade which I am included. So I have tried this one day before. I also did a wear test for you guys, so I will include that clip at the end of the video. Now this foundation is enriched with avocado and mango butter. It also has hyaluronic acid in it. It is basically a hydrating foundation. Hyaluronic acid helps in retaining the moisture in your skin. This foundation is also cruelty free, vegan, mineral oil free and paraben and paraffin free. Now let's see what they claim on their website. They claim that the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation is a formula that makes your skin feel super nourished while offering just the right amount of coverage. From a light and dewy daytime look to a flawless base that erases blemishes, you can easily build it up from natural to high coverage. It melts into the skin and releases a light veil over the face, which has a feel-good effect. You can take your pick from 20 different shades that are suited for every Indian skin tone and undertones, and glides on like a dream. Now the features of the foundation is natural hydrated dewy finish, lightweight and second skin feel, ultra creamy luxurious texture, locks in moisture, all day comfortable wear, natural to high buildable coverage, blurs perfections, perfect for all skin types. Let's talk about the packaging now. This is how the inner packaging looks like. This is how the bottle. It is a glass bottle. It has a plastic cap, and once you open, it comes with a pump, which is a very good thing. I think for the price, packaging is worth it. I will tell you about the formula. The shade 130Y is this color. The reason I didn't do a review just the day I bought it is because I wanted to try it out for some time before giving you guys a review. So I did wear this foundation and went out. I also wore a mask, of course. So I wanted to see if this transfers and how long it wears. I will let you know how I felt at the end of the video. Now let's move on to the application. I have zoomed you guys in so that you can see my skin and the application of the foundation. On one side I am going to apply with a brush, and one side I am going to apply with a beauty blender. I am using the PAC beauty blender and the Wet n Wild foundation brush. So I am going to take one pump first. I have already applied my sunscreen and primer. I am going to dot this and first blend it out with the foundation brush. Now this is one layer of application with the brush, and you can see my scars and everything still through. Before building it up, let's apply on the other side with the blender, and then we will build it up. I am taking another pump. Now this is how my face looks like after one layer of application. You can see my acne scars and the marks on my skin still peeking through the foundation. So I wouldn't say this is full coverage. On the day I wore the foundation for the first time, I did build it up to 3 layers, and it did build up to a medium coverage. I would not say it is a full coverage foundation. I will show you with the second layer. It is definitely built up, but I don't think you can build this up to a full coverage. The thing I really liked about this foundation is it's extremely lightweight. Even if you build it up to 3 layers, you will not feel like there is a foundation on your skin. The finish is very beautiful. It has got that natural finish. I wouldn't say it is a dewy finish or a matte finish. It is that in between natural finish. Now I have taken one more pump for the other side, and we will blend it with the beauty blender. Of course, beauty blender will absorb more product. On the brush side will give you the more coverage, but I did not feel a difference in the finish with both the sides. It looks exactly the same. Now I'll finish my entire base makeup and eye makeup, and I will come back and give you my final thoughts on this foundation. I'm back after applying my entire makeup, and this is how the foundation looks like. Now let me talk about the pros and cons of this foundation. The pros are, it is very lightweight. You will not feel like you're wearing a foundation even after layering it up. The shade range, it has got 20 shades, which I don't think any Indian brand has ever done that. And they have divided to different undertones and different skin tones, which makes very easy for us to choose the shade online. And I think even for the deeper skin tones there are a lot of options, so that is a great thing. Now the third pro is that the packaging is very good. It feels luxurious. Even if you're paying 1200, you're getting an amazing glass bottle with a pump, which is a very important thing. And the fourth pro is that it is very hydrating. It doesn't feel super matte or super dewy. It is right in between, so it is suitable for a lot of skin types. Even if you have dry skin, you will not feel it clinging into your dry patches or something. It did settle into my fine line, but that happens with all the foundations. The next is that other makeup products layers really well, both cream and powder products. Like today I have applied a cream highlighter and a powder blush, so it does not look patchy. It looks very smooth. Now when it comes to the cons of this foundation, first is that it is not full coverage, even though they say that it is a buildable foundation. I do not think I have applied 3 layers and still it doesn't look full coverage. You can still see my acne scars and marks and pigmentation. So I think if you are someone who has a lot of acne scars, pigmentation, you will definitely need to color correct and use a concealer with this foundation. The second con is that it has said that it will blur your pores and imperfections, but you can still see my pores if you closely look. So you will definitely need to apply a pore minimizing primer before this foundation. Now when I wore this outside with the mask on, once I came back, what I noticed is that it definitely transferred a little bit, but not a major transfer. around my mouth it was moved a little bit, but otherwise my face looked quite flawless and smooth. Even though I sweat a little bit on my forehead, it did not move. So I think it is quite a good foundation. I really like this, especially for the fact that it is very lightweight. I have never felt like this with any other foundation. Any other foundation which if you apply, you will definitely feel like there is something on your face, but with this it is very lightweight. So I would highly recommend if you are looking for a new foundation which is cruelty free and vegan. I would only say to stay away from this foundation if you have a lot of acne and pigmentation on your skin. Then there is no point in getting this if you have to layer a lot of concealer on your face. So otherwise it is an amazing foundation. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you did find it informative, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it. Also follow me on Instagram. I will leave the handle name down below. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much.